Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nitsa. In today's video, we're going to see how to use pop-up menu and axis in graphical user interface using MATLAB software. So in previous video, we discussed about the how we can use a static text and edit text. Also, we have taken a push button. So in that video we discussed some of the basics thing about the graphical user interface. So I will continue the same video with the next concept, that is nothing but pop-up menu and axis. So for that you have to open graphical user interface. So how to open? So simply in command window you can write the guide and give the enter. Whenever give the enter, one window will be open, that is nothing but blank graphical user interface. Simply click on OK. Whenever we click on OK, the one window will be open. So simply you have to take pop-up menu. So this is a pop-up menu. Click on that and place on that graphical user interface platform and adjust as per your choice. Then I will take axis. Okay, so what I going to write a program? So simply I will write a program for a unit step function and unit ramp function. So in a pop-up menu I will take that two names and automatically as per the program that signal will be displayed on the axis. So how to do that? So first you have to change some parameter in a pop-up menu. So just double click on that. This is nothing but inspector UI control. In that you have to change one thing, that is a string. So this is a string. In string I will write the first is a select, second one is a unit step function, second I will write unit ramp function. Okay, just I will click on a OK. So like this you can take lot of pop-up menu inside that, but for example I have taken only the two, that is the unit step and unit ramp. Okay, so just cancel it. After that just save this file. Give any name, it automatically save with .fig extension. So whenever we save with .fig extension, that graphical user interface automatically generate one .m file. So where we have to write a program. So how we decide that where we have to write that program? So simply click on that pop-up menu and just click on the view callback. So you can see we have to write a program under this particular pop-up menu. So how to write? So simply I have to display unit step signal and unit ramp. So first I have to write a handles, that is a value is equal to get in bracket handles dot pop-up menu 1, then comma, in single inverted comma I can write value, bracket complete. Then I will write switch statement, switch, in switch I will write value val. Then I will write two case 2, because of case 1 is a select, case 2 is nothing but unit step. So I will write a program for unit step. T is equal to, for example I will take -10 as to 10, then I will take y equal to zeros in bracket 1 comma 10 bracket complete, and ones in bracket 1 comma 11 bracket complete. Okay, then I will take case 3 for unit ramp. For unit ramp I will take 0 as to 10 and y is equal to t, means time is equal to amplitude. Then I have to end this switch statement. Then I have to display this signal on a axis, so I have to write axis in bracket handles dot axis 1 bracket complete, and simply I have to write plot t comma y. Then also you can write grid on for dotted horizontal and vertical lines on a graph. So this is the program. It's a very simple program. Then just go to the edit option, save this file and click on a run. So whenever we click on a run option, the one window will be open, that is nothing but graphical user interface window. Suppose for example if I select unit step, so basically it will display the unit step. If I click on unit ramp, it will display the unit ramp function. So like this you can make lot of different applications by using a graphical user interface. Simply I have taken only 2 signals, but you can use this software graphical user interface for a different application. One by one we can see how we can develop a different applications, but initially for understanding purpose I think this much is sufficient about the pop-up menu and how we can handle the axis. Okay, so in previous video we have taken a push button, static, edit text, and in today's video we have taken a pop-up menu and also axis. So if you like, so I think that's it. Now if you understand or if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and share this video to a student so that they can if you understand or if you liking my videos, so please subscribe my channel, share this video, and we can see a next concept or next one of the applications or technique about the graphical user interface in a next video. So thank you everyone.